Hello everyone. Today I will presenting our study titled Import Duty Policy and Value-Added Tax Increase on Keyboard Merchandise Buying Interest with Tax Understanding as a Moderating Variable. I am Tifania Anandasandi Rizka, and this research was conducted by Dr. Suyanto and Faudila Kirana Putri from the Faculty of Economics Sarjana Weta Tamasiswa University. First, introduction. The Korean wave is a neologism created to encompass Korean pop, and in recent years its popularity has peaked globally. The percentage of Korean culture in Indonesia raised 35% to the popularity of the Korean wave. Indonesia is the fourth country that imports the most K-pop merchandise from South Korea in the world. Based on the table, we can see in 2021 until 2023, the number of import of K-pop merchandise has increased despite in implementation of import duty policies and VAT rate increase compared to the number of import of K-pop merchandise before the implementation of import duty policy and VAT rate increase, namely 2070 until 2090. This study aims to examine the impact of import duty policies and value-added tax rate increase on the purchase intention of K-pop merchandise in Indonesia, as well as the role of tax understanding in moderating the effect. It is hoped that this research can contribute insight and information accurate about the factor of K-pop merchandise buying interest, such as impact of import duty policy, VAT rate increase, and tax understanding. The government hopefully can reconsider the implementation of import duty policy and VAT rate increase on buying interest in K-pop merchandise after reading the result of this study. This research is grounded in the theory of planned behavior, which explains that behavioral intentions are influenced by three factors. First, attitude. Was fans' positive or negative response to K-pop merchandise? And second, subjective norms was social influence, including government regulation. And three, perceived behavioral control was the knowledge of tax policies and how it affects decision making. We formulated the following hypothesis. Import policy and VAT rate increase will negatively affect the purchase intention of K-pop merchandise in Indonesia. And then, tax understanding witness the influence of import policy and VAT rate increase on K-pop merchandise buying interest. Methodology. This quantitative study utilized primarily data collected via Google Form from K-pop fans across Indonesia. We employ statistical analysis, including measurement model or outer model and structural model or inner model, testing to out through the process of testing the validity and reliability of the outer model through indicator reliability, internal consistency reliability, convergent validity, and discriminant validity. Result of the study. The distribution of the research questionnaire was carried out from November 1 to December 1, 2023. All the questionnaires that have been collected during the research process are processed and calibrated using Microsoft Excel. Based on the result of the data collection, the researchers managed to get 203 respondents. Of the 203 questionnaires that have been filled in by respondents, 43 respondents were declared invalid because the respondent had data error. The import duty policy and the increase in VAT rate positively and significantly affect the purchase intention of K-pop merchandise. These results show that the government policy to reduce domestic import in PMK number 199, PMK 10, 20, and 90, and the VAT rate rising from 10% to 11% cannot reduce the interest of K-pop fans in importing K-pop merchandise. The government regulation cannot affect fans' interest purchase imported K-pop merchandise in Indonesia due to the lack of understanding, tax regulation, and tax function. For the tax understanding, can weaken the relationship between import duty policy and VAT rate increase on buying interest in K-pop merchandise in Indonesia. Understanding of the government's action in PMK number 199 PMK 10, 2019 regarding the import duty tariff and with the understanding of the function of Law Number 7 of 2021 to help domestic creative industry MSMEs had reduced fans interested in consuming K-pop merchandise. From the result of the discussion in the previous chapter, the researcher concludes that the import duty policy and the increase in Fed rates cannot affect the decline in interest in buying K-pop merchandise in Indonesia. Meanwhile, understanding the import duty policy and the increase in Fed rates can reduce the interest in buying K-pop merchandise in Indonesia. This research has limitation in the lack of reverent use in discussing an increase in VAT on K-pop merchandise. This is because there are still few previous studies that examine the relationship between K-pop merchandise and VAT increase. Based on the conclusion and limitation of this study, it is gathered that future researchers can conduct research on import feed rates given the lack of research on import feed. In addition, future researchers are expected to conduct research with other variables that are relevant and have the potential to influence the purchase interest of K-pop merchandise in Indonesia.